What's going on, ladies and gents? It's your boy Tiger back again in the new year, coming at you live with a new video. I hope 2023 is a great year for all you guys, and that it's a very prosperous and just like a beauty year for each and every one of you. So yeah, without further ado, in this video, guys, I'm gonna be just doing another quick tutorial on something that I was trying to figure out myself recently, because I don't know, I watched some other videos on trying to figure it out, and it was like, I don't know, I guess they were older videos, so the YouTube layout was kind of different, so I kind of had to figure this out for myself. But basically, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get an Instagram link right here, and basically how you can add like up to 5 links like on your banner here, or just on your YouTube page in general, that people can click on and follow. So basically what you're going to need to do is click on your channel icon over here and go to your YouTube studio, and then from there what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to head down over here to customization tab, and then just click that real quick, and then over here you can see all this good stuff. But what you're going to want to go to is basic info, and then from the basic info tab there, you can then change like your channel description, your about description, all that good stuff. And then you can add links here. So if you want to add like your Instagram link there, you can type that in. And then how you get your Instagram URL here is what you're going to do is you're going to go over here. You're going to go over to your Instagram, and then you're going to sign in. You're going to click here, obviously. And then you're going to sign in to your Instagram page. So yeah, obviously, hopefully you know your login info. So once you're over on your Instagram page and you've logged in, what you do is you just click on your profile. Click on your profile here, and then you just copy your link. And then you just go over to your YouTube channel and go bam. And there you go. Then you just press publish. And then now you're blessed, and you can just go over to your YouTube channel now, and you should see right there, you can see your little Instagram icon there on your banner, and then you can successfully now be redirected to your Instagram page, or like your followers or whatever can stalk you now. And as you can see there, you guys can stalk me if you want. It'd be kind of weird, but honestly, there's nothing too exciting on my Instagram page anyway, so yeah, do with that as you will. That didn't make any sense, but whatever. And yeah, hopefully this video wasn't too long. Hopefully it helped you guys, and yeah, let me know. I don't know, I was thinking about getting COD, the new Modern Warfare 2, that they somehow like recreated again. They called it the same thing that it was in like 2009 or whatever, but yeah, apparently it's brand new, so I don't know. I was thinking about getting that. Let me know what you guys think about that, or what other kind of content you guys think I should cover. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, this has been Tiger Gaming here signing out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.